How to find Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your Ubisoft Connect activation code if you purchased a Ubisoft game on Steam. This code is essential for linking your game to your Ubisoft account. Let's get started. Once you're logged in, click on Library at the top of the window on Steam. This will show you all the games you own on Steam. So scroll through your game list and find the Ubisoft game you want to activate. Click on it to open its game page. On the game page, look for the Manage button, which is usually found in the left-hand sidebar or on the right next to the game's name. Click on it to see more options. In the Manage menu, find and select CD key or product code, and this will display your Ubisoft Connect activation code. Now copy the activation code. You'll need this for linking your game to your Ubisoft account. Next, open the Ubisoft Connect application. Log into your Ubisoft account, then go to the games and click on Activate a Product. Paste the activation code you copied from Steam and follow the prompts to complete the activation process. It's a very easy and direct process to do. And that's how to find your Ubisoft Connect activation code on Steam. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more gaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.